So what is a common sense? The people started to saying that I don't have a common sense. I'm not behaving like well towards the people. So I don't have how to behave whether it is in very important event like that. Even in my office, even at my relationship places, the relation places, or wherever I'm going, that the people often says about me that I don't have that kind of maturity how to behave towards the society, and I have there is no common sense with me. So the people often says like that. So how to deal with it? The common sense, first we need to understand what is a common sense in the sense to behave properly, which is quite adapting to that situation, being quite adapted with that situation, and behaving what they required exactly. That is what the common sense, I believe. So if you are going for one party, in the sense you need to go by wearing the dress of that party dress and having that kind of the mood set, that kind of the mindset. So with these all the things, I need to go there. If I am going for any professional places, in the sense, with that kind of the mindset and with that kind of the appearance, I need to give my presence over there. But everything is fine with me. But there is only one leg. Still, I have some kind of the leg with my mind. What is that? In the sense, whenever your mind feels quite uncomfortable with that situation, this will happen. Like whenever you are feeling, oh no, I'm quite uncomfort with the people or uncomfort with that places, so I'm behaving which is irrelated to that situation, then I'm getting scolded, right? So how to behave properly, how to keep our mindset to give the adapted things to that situation. Why it's happening in the sense, if we are going quite deep reason in the sense, because of our old memories, we had some kind of bad experience. We had the same experience. We had the same uncomfort experience when I was there somewhere else. It got imprinted into me. The bad experience what you had, that got imprinted with your mindset. So whenever you are appearing over there, like the similar situation, so you started to react with the name of guilt, as you have the bad experience of your past experience. No, I didn't see like that. I didn't see these are all the situation. I didn't see any these are all the peoples before in my life, in the sense. Then we need to go more deeply. That is what that we got imprinted. The imprinted is a truth, but we got imprinted from our gene. So however, we had that kind of behavior. So whenever you are going for the situation, that behavior has been stimulated, that emotion has been stimulated by our mindset because of the imprinted of that old memories. So how to deal with it, in the sense? First we need to understand, whenever you are giving the response to any kind of your emotion, it is increasing. It will increase. Whether you are opposing or you are supporting it. However, whenever you are talking about those all the things, your mind feels that yes, I am in that situation. I became that situation only. I became that emotion only. So mind treated itself like I am in that feeling. Whether you are opposing or supporting it. So what to do? It's a simple thing. We can easily find out that. Consider one thing. Teach your mind that everybody are the people. Everybody are the human. Everything are the situation. Nothing the situation will be very new, which we have never seen before. Right? What are the situation? Nothing will be harmful, because the situation is created by the human being. Right? So if you are going for the event, in the sense, that has been created by human being who you are. So the people who are all came there, they are also the human who you are. So there is no big on, there is no short, there is no low, there is no consideration, there is no estimation over there. If really they are treating you like that, in the sense, if they are really treating you that you are the low person, you are the foolish if they are treating you, as you have participated in the one vacation which has been filled with the brilliant people. If they are treating you like that in the sense, let them treat. In the sense of, these are all the things, nothing will affect me. These are all the things will never affect me. Let them treat. Leave as it is over there. Be with the same mindset. If the mindset keeps saying that in the sense, being detached from that mindset and do what is right as you know. Do your best. That's all. If they are the people, they are going to discuss about you and they are going to give great opportunity, in the sense, let them give us. Or else just because of you don't have the common sense, just because of your activities over there, if they are neglecting the opportunities in the sense, let them do it. Don't depend on any kind of the people, or don't depend on any kind of the situation. Be in what you are and feel quite comfort and what you are. Whether you are the poor people, whether you are the poor human, whether you are the great scientist, whoever you are, whether you are the sick person in the hospital, feel comfort with it, in the sense of nothing will affect us. The two things most probably will affect us, as you know that. The one is a physical pain, that I can sense it. Because of my nervous system, I can sense it. The second one is a death, because after that I can't see anything in this world, right? So that will may affect. That we can feel guilt on, I am getting the pain. Then we no need to do any kind of things. But these are all the mental hallucination. We no need to do any kind of things. We no need to react. These are all the things. So try to give the best to that situation. That's all. So don't worry and don't expect any kind of the result, and don't fear about the result. If something is going to happen, if I'm not doing well in the sense, some kind of the terrible things will happen in the sense, let it happen. If it is being in the future in the sense, let it happen. We can face it. We have the courage enough to face it. So be in with a real face. Be with your own leg. So don't be the emotional dependent with each other. Be in with what you are, and don't care about this all the things. The people started to saying that you don't have a common sense. Even you feel about yourself that you really don't have it in the sense. Let it be like that. We can travel it with it. Then in the future, if we will get a chance in the sense, we can change it. That's not a big thing that you can't do in your life, ever in your life. There is nothing in this world. If someone can do that in the also, as you are the human, you can also do the same. No one can fly also, you can't also fly. Everyone can do. These are all the common sense like that. Everyone can learn the common sense. Everyone can behave betterly towards other people in the sense. Then you can also do that. You don't have any compulsion to be in with the same thing ever in this life. You can learn it. That's not a problem. You have a chances and you have opportunities. You have everything there. So don't worry about this, all the common sense. I'm not having it in that sense. Don't worry about that. Don't make yourself quite guilt regarding that. That's all. So these are all the things we have discussed in the one novel, the name called The Monk Who Do Not Pray. So if you are really interested in the sense, you can just read the life style of the semi-orphan, the name called Ray Michael. The life of the Ray Michael has been described in the novel. So it will give you some kind of the points which will be quite helpful in your future. It will be in your life. That is what. So thank you, Rajkumar Pandya.